like to remind you that this problem is a review of the concepts from lesson 49. So I know that even though we just talked about disjoint and inclusive events in probability, don't forget that we also had the binomial theorem for probability, and that was when we used the combination, remember n, choose m, and then we had the p and the q. This was the favorable, right? And this was the unfavorable, okay? And then this had an exponent, and the exponents had to equal the total number of events. In this case, our total is 8. So just a reminder of that. If you want to go back to lesson 49 and look that formula up, you can. So in this case, the event is that we're spinning the spinner 8 times. And we want black 5 times. So 8, choose 5 is going to be our numerical coefficient here. And now we need to figure out what our favorable probability is and what our unfavorable probability is. Well, let's come over here. Do you see that obviously black is consuming 3/4 of the circle? So we can safely say that 3/4 is our favorable. How many times do we want that to occur? 5 times, okay? So our unfavorable has to be 1/4, because in this case our unfavorable is the white area. And so if this is occurring 5 out of the 8 times, that means that there's going to be the unfavorable situation 3 times. So the rest of this is just a matter of plugging it into your calculator. You should end up with, and when I entered it into my calculator, I got 56 for this value. I just entered 0.75 to the 5th power, and then 0.25 to the 3rd power, and just entered that all in one at one time, and I'll let you figure out what that total value is.